Hepsia is a new, intuitive, and easy-to-use control panel, and we have integrated a fully featured domain manager as well, unlike many other control panels like cPanel for example. The domain manager gives you an easy point-and-click interface and comes with all the basic and advanced features that you might need managing your domains. Now, registering brand new domains takes just seconds, and there are more than 50 generic and country code TLDs to choose from. Also, transferring existing domains over through our quick wizard is very simple as well. Now, the integrated quick controls allow you to lock a domain, set an ID protection for your online privacy, edit the name servers, or the WHOIS information. Now, clicking on a domain will instantly give you a pop-up box with all the options that you need. It's that simple. Keeping track of the full traffic and web visits for each of your domains in real time is also right here, so you don't need to go all over the place to get the information that you need. With the Hepsia Domain Manager, you also get unlimited part domains, a complete custom DNS service, and even SSL certificates. Also, with easy-to-access content help and video tutorials included, getting help is fast and easy. So make Hepsia your default domain control panel, manage multiple sites, and get all the controls that you need in just one place.